Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the JavaScript tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain how to get the first and last element of an array using a JavaScript. So let's start the tutorial. And now we will check the final output of our application, how to get the first and last element of an array using JavaScript. When I click, notice here we got the output here. The total elements we have given in the array is, this is the total array numbers, and the first element of the array is 89, which is 89, and the last element of an array is 1000. See 1000.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code, which is VS Code. First, I am adding a text file. After I am adding the text file, I am selecting the language is HTML. Then I am saving this file. I am saving this file on my desktop under JavaScript -tutorials folder. The file name is first last array, and the extension is the HTML. Let's save this file. Notice here the file is saved successfully in the HTML format. Now let's write the code. First I am adding the HTML elements. After that I am adding the header section. Then after the header section I am adding the body element. Now inside this body I am adding center elements, so the output will be in the center of the browser. Now here h1 element, how to get the first and last element of an array using JavaScript. Then I'm adding horizontal line. After the horizontal line I'm adding one button control. When I click this button control, I want to display the first and last element of a given array, and the button name I'm giving here the click. Then I'm adding one more horizontal line. After the horizontal line I'm adding first one h1. The id is equals to array list. In the h2 element I want to display id is equals to first array. Here in this array list I want to display total values, total arrays. In the h1, in the h2 I want to display the first element of the given array, and in the next last id for the h2 is equals to last array. That's it. Now in the header section I am adding the script element. Script type is equals to text / JavaScript. Then let's close the script tag. Let's declare one variable array list. Array list is equals to here I'm adding between square brackets 89, 9, 10, 230, 5, 23, and I'm adding 1000 here. Just for the demo purpose I have added few elements here in this array. First I want to display all the array list in this h1, so let's declare one function and first and last array is a function name. Then I want to display all the array list in this h1 element, so I am adding the id of the h1, inner HTML is capital. Then I am adding array list. This one we need to add. This one we need to add here. Before I am adding one small text here, the total array list, the total elements of an array is equals to plus array list. Now the second thing, I want to get first array, so let's copy this one Let's copy this one. Not now. Let's declare one more variable because we need to get only the first element, which is 89 here. So it's very simple. First array is equals to array list. Array list is I'm adding 0. See, array list is based on indexed basis. So index starts with 0. 0 is 89. If you add 1 here, you will get 9. If you add 2 here, you will get 230. So 0 is the first index of an array which I have added here. Then I want to display this array of the first element in this h2 element. So I am accessing with the help of the id of the h2 inner html is equals to the first element of an array, the first element of an array is equals to plus FARR. This variable I am adding here, and the last one I want to get the last array of the element, which is array list. This array list I am adding here. Array list dot length, the total length minus 1. That's it. Now let's call this last array here dot inner HTML is equals to, instead of writing the same thing, let's copy this one and paste here. I'm deleting the first and I'm adding the last element of an array. Instead of FARR, I'm adding LARR. That's it. Now the final step, we need to add this function name in the button click on change event. That's it. Let's save this file save. Now let's check the final output of our application. Go to run and start debugging. I'm selecting the web app Chrome, and here we got the final output of our application. How to get the first and last element of an array using JavaScript. When I click, whoops, what went wrong here? Stop debugging. This is on, not on change, on click event. Let's save this file again. We'll check the final output again. Go to run, start debugging. And now we'll check the final output of our application. How to get the first and last element of an array using JavaScript. When I click, notice here we got the output here. The total elements we have given in the array is, this is the total array numbers. And the first element of the array is 89, which is 89. And the last element of an array is 1000. See, 1000. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to get the first and last element of an array using a JavaScript. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.